Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on March 12, 2026, just 3 days ago. It finds that simple sequential fine-tuning with low-rank adaptation allows large vision-language action models to continuously learn new tasks without catastrophic forgetting, which is the frustrating tendency of AI models to overwrite past knowledge when learning something new. The paper is titled, Simple Recipe Works. Vision-language action models are natural continual learners with reinforcement learning. And as we'll see later, this straightforward approach shows some really striking results that frequently outperform more complex methods, with significant implications for how we train lifelong robotic agents. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Okay, Figure 1 illustrates this core recipe in action. The left side shows a pre-trained vision-language action model using low-rank adaptation and on-policy reinforcement learning, which means it learns directly from its own chosen actions, to tackle a continuous stream of tasks. The right side breaks down the benefits across 3 panels. The top panel reveals almost no catastrophic forgetting on past tasks. The middle panel indicates high plasticity for learning the current task. Finally, the bottom panel confirms strong zero-shot generalization for unseen future tasks. Well, Figure 1 just outlined the core training recipe. Figure 2 now displays the 5 robotics benchmarks used to evaluate it. These include 3 variations of the Libero benchmark, focusing on object, spatial, and long horizon tasks, along with RoboCasa and Mani skill. Across all these simulated environments, the model receives only camera images as input and must output correct arm and gripper commands to complete language instructions. Because the agent learns sequentially without revisiting old environments, these setups provide a rigorous test for continuous learning. So, Figure 2 introduced the simulation environments. Now, Table 1 compares the simple sequential fine-tuning approach against 7 established continual reinforcement learning methods across the 3 Libero domains. The results show that this straightforward recipe, highlighted in the top row of each section, performs remarkably well, achieving high average success rates. Crucially, it exhibits almost zero negative backward transfer, meaning it barely forgets previously learned skills. It also maintains strong zero-shot performance on unseen tasks, frequently outperforming complex methods like elastic weight consolidation and getting surprisingly close to the multitask oracle. Alright, Table 1 just highlighted those impressive success rates. Now Figure 3 tracks exactly how well the model remembers individual tasks over time. Each line represents a specific task, starting at 100% retention when it is first learned. As the model continues to learn up to 5 new tasks, the performance on older tasks stays remarkably flat. In the first panel for Libero Object, the middle panel for Libero Spatial, and the right panel for Libero Long, the lines barely dip. This stability confirms that simple sequential fine-tuning prevents catastrophic forgetting without needing complex memory constraints. Okay, Figure 3 just showed how well the model remembers individual tasks over time. Now, Table 2 examines if this stability holds up under various stress tests. The authors introduced controlled changes, like shifting camera angles, altering lighting, or mixing up the sequence of tasks. They also test different architectures, including Pi0 on RoboCasa and Open VLA on Mani skill. Across all these variations, simple sequential fine-tuning remains highly robust, consistently showing almost zero forgetting and often beating the multitask oracle in zero-shot generalization. So, Table 2 demonstrated the robustness of this approach across different stress tests. Now, Table 3 breaks down exactly why it works by systematically removing key components. The top row shows the strong baseline of the original method. However, when reinforcement learning is replaced with supervised fine-tuning in the second row, which means the model just copies demonstrated actions rather than learning through trial and error, average performance plummets. Similarly, the bottom rows reveal that swapping in a smaller policy or removing low-rank adaptation causes catastrophic forgetting to spike. Together, these ablations prove that the synergy of a large model, on-policy reinforcement learning, and parameter-efficient adaptation is what truly preserves past knowledge. Alright, wrapping up, the big takeaway is that large vision-language action models are actually natural, lifelong learners. By simply combining scale, low-rank adaptation, and on-policy reinforcement learning, developers can build self-improving robotic agents without relying on complex, memory-heavy algorithms. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.